Another V-ONE rotary valve. Engine case. Sealing surfaces. You need different light to see it. Somehow not really even. I wonder why. You see here, this. I'll show you LML engine case later on. If I sandpaper a cylinder head, it has marks, the same marks everywhere. Why? And I know that this is the indicator that it is even. Why does these surfaces don't have even marks? Whatever. As we are not using a paper gasket but special sealing mask, it does not really matter. It does matter when you use paper gaskets. In this case, special sealing mask, they will fill up all the height differences. It's really minimal of this engine case, and you're fine. MALOSSI V-ONE rotary valve engine case. Let's use the light and the shine to see how it was machined. This looks quite well. And there's a bit of difference, but that's not so bad. This area also looks similar. How about this one? This is the most important area. That's the crankshaft area. That is where the rotary valve stuff is happening. Opening, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing. So this has to be tight 100%. You see? Here till here. It's okay-ish. There's a difference from this point to this. Should be still okay. It's about here. Not so bad. It's fine. Actually, that's the interesting part. You see, all the marks will have the same directions here. Like as we are used to it for decades of Vespa Piaggio engines. Here, from here to here. This is fine. The big engine half is okay. But why is the small engine half so funky? You see the change here? Here it was stopped in this direction, and the other stuff was started. It's still fine. It's not near the crank. So the big engine hub is fine. It's very well done. Why is the small engine hub different? P200E engine, open for the very first time, just 14,000, 15,000 kilometers. Let's try it like this. In any case, it's hard to see because these are really tiny, small marks. Oh, here you can see it. This is how all the engine cases, the sealing surface of all the engine cases look like for decades, for many decades. Just even. Oh, that sounds impossible. Just moving the light, not the camera.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?